Okay, so that's enough review on this Bart Simpson program. And next, let's go ahead and just clean this up. And we will next talk about how to do our birthday app in birthday application using a dictionary. So instead of deleting all this, because it did cover some new topics, I'm going to store it. But I'm going to put a triple quote, which is one way of having a multi-line comment. So if I run this, nothing will happen. The computer just ignores what happens inside of these triple quotes. And that's not technically true, but we'll talk about what they really mean in the future. So let's go ahead and create our birthdays again, but this time we're going to use a dictionary. And whereas